Dear students, welcome to BNIS Home School. This is Mohammad Hanif, Assistant English Teacher, Bonusri National Ideal School. Hope all of you are safe and sound by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Today, I am going to take the class on class 9 and Unit 11 Lesson 3. And today's topics is energy. Energy can be divided into two. One is renewable energy and another is non-renewable energy. So the question is, what is renewable energy? The energy which is renewed is called renewable energy. According to the passage, have been given in this passage have been given about 6 renewable energy. One is solar energy, 2 is bioenergy, 3 is hydrogen, 4 is hydroelectric energy, and 5 is geothermal energy, and 6 is ocean energy. So, on the other hand, non-renewable energy. What is the non-renewable energy? Non-renewable energy, the energy which is not renewed, is called non-renewable energy. So, there are a lot of non-renewable energy such as coal, oil, gas, etc. Now, these topics is about the renewable energy. According to APJ Abul Kalam, former President of India, that the coming decade non-renewable energy will run out and we have to depend on the renewable energy. So, at first we will go through the passage wholly, then we will answer the multiple choice question and question answer. Okay, let us start and read the passage at first, then we will answer the question. Unit 11, Lesson 3b, read the passage and then answer the question below. Countries of the world rely heavily on petroleum, coal and natural gas for their net energy sources. There are two major types of energy source, renewable and non-renewable. Hydrocarbon and fossil fuels are non-renewable energy sources of energy. Reliance on them poses real big problem. First, fossil fuels such as oil, coal, gas, etc. are finite energy sources, and the world eventually, that means at last in the long run, will run out of them. Run out means will finish of them. Secondly, they will become too expensive. They will be very valuable in the coming decades. Decades mean 10 years is called a decade and too damaging for the environment. Thirdly, fossil fuels have direct polluting impact on Earth's environment, causing global warming. In contrast, renewable energy sources such as wind and solar energy are constantly and naturally replenished. Replenished means refilled and never run out. Most renewable energy comes either directly and indirectly from the sun. Sunlight or solar energy can be used for lighting and heating and lighting homes, for generating electricity, and for other commercial and industrial uses. The sun's heat drives the wind, and this wind energy can be captured with wind turbines to produce electricity. Then the wind and the sun's heat cause water to evaporate. When the water evaporates, turns into rain and snow and flows downhill into rivers or streams, its energy can be captured as hydroelectric energy. So this part has been discussed about hydroelectric energy. So by reading this part, we can know about the hydroelectric energy. Then we will go next para. Along with the rain and snow, sunlight causes plants to grow. Plants produce biomass, which again can be turned into fuels such as firewood, alcohol, etc., identified as bioenergy. So this is a bioenergy. Scientists have identified hydrogen as another form of renewable energy sources. So this is also renewable energy, hydrogen. It is most abundant element in nature. Abundant means ample, huge, plenty element in nature, but it does not exist separately as a gas. It is always combined with other elements such as with oxygen to make water. Hydrogen separated from another element can be burnt as a fuel to produce electricity. Our Earth's interior contains molten lava which gives up extreme heat. So, molten lava means liquid lava. This heat inside the earth produces steam and hot water which can be tapped as geothermal energy. Geothermal energy, it is also a renewable energy to produce electricity for heating home, etc. Ocean energy comes from several sources. Ocean's forces of tide and can be used to produce energy. The surface of the ocean gets more heat from the sun than the ocean dips. This temperature difference can be used as energy sources too. So this portion is about the ocean energy. So after reading these spaces, we have known about the renewable energy sources. Now you will answer the multiple choice question. Okay, let us start the multiple choice question. Choose the correct answer from the following alternatives. What does the expression countries of the world rely heavily on petroleum, coal and natural gas for their energy sources in the line 1 and 2 mean best? A number countries of the world depend less on petroleum, coal and natural gas for their energy source. B, countries of the world depend greatly on petroleum, coal and natural gas for their energy source. B, petroleum, coal and natural gas are the only reliable energy sources for the countries of the world. And D, people of the world cannot go without petroleum, coal and natural gas as they are their sources of energy. The answer will be the countries of the world depend greatly on petroleum, coal and natural gas for their energy sources. 2 number, which of the following best describe the similarity between renewable and non-renewable energy sources? They are costly, they are finite energy sources. C, they have direct polluting impact on Earth's environment, and D, they are available. The answer will be according to the passage, they are available. Which of the following words describes non-renewable energy best? Expensive, environment friendly, less costly, less available. The answer will be expensive. 4 number, which of the following statement is true about non-renewable energy sources? A number, petroleum is the only sources of non-renewable energy. Solar energy is also non-renewable sources of energy. C, fossil fuels are non-renewable sources of energy. And D, natural gas is the only source of non-renewable energy. The answer will be B number. Solar energy is also a non-renewable renewable sources of energy. 5 number, most renewable energy comes either directly or indirectly from the sun. What does the statement means? A number, we should go to the jungle for collecting renewable energy from the sun. B, the world centers around the sun. C, the suns help us indirectly to get renewable energy. And C, the sun is the source of renewable energy sources. So according to the passage, the answer will be the sun is the source of renewable energy. 6th number, What could be the closest meaning of tremendous? A. Medium, B. Extreme, C. Normal, D. Minimum. So answer will be extreme, B. 7 number, what does the word exist in the text refers to? A. Finish, B. Die, C. Endure, and D. Prevail. So the answer will be D. Prevail. So now we will discuss about the answer the following question, and in this passage, according to the passage here has been given 5 question. A number, what are the types of energy sources to which type do petroleum, coal and natural gas belong? The answer will be the question. There are mainly 2 types of energy sources, renewable and non-renewable. Petroleum, coal and natural gas belong to non-renewable sources of energy. B number, why do you think that reliance on non-renewable sources of energy will cause great problems? So according to the passage, the answer will be, I think that reliance on non-renewable sources of energy will cause great problems because fossil fuels such as oil, coal, gas, etc. are finite energy sources and the world eventually will run out of them. Moreover, they will become too expensive in the coming decades and too damaging for the environment to repair. Besides, fossil fuels have direct polluting impacts on Earth's environment, causing global warming. The question of 6 number, how many ways can solar energy be used? The answer will be solar energy can be used in many ways. It can be used for heating and lighting homes, for generating electricity and for other commercial and industrial uses. D number, how do you get hydroelectric energy? If you go through the passage attentively, we will find that we get the answer. We get hydroelectric energy in the following way. The sun's heat drives the wind, and the wind energy can be captured with wind turbines to produce electricity. Then the wind and the sun heat cause water to evaporate. When this water vapor turns into rain or snow and flows downhill into rivers or streams, its energy can be captured as hydroelectric energy. The answer, question number E, how do you use hydrogen to produce electricity? Answer, hydrogen is another form of renewable energy source. It is the most abundant element in nature. It does not exist separately as a gas. It is always combined with another elements. So separating hydrogen from another elements, we can burn it as a fuel to produce electricity. So by reading this passage, according to the passage, we have completed multiple choice question and at the same time question answer. Hope that all of you have realized and understood. So if you have any question, you can make a call me by this number, and I will come with another topics another day. Till then, Allah Hafiz.